today I'm going to make a video showing you how to use a new image slider template in our email builder. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to marketing, and then we're going to go to emails, and we're going to choose email templates. Now once we're here in email templates, we're going to open this template that I have prepared, and I'm going to show you what this thing can do. What we have here is an email, basically a video series. And as you can see here, if I move over the thumbnails here at the bottom, it just goes through the different images. I can also go through them by clicking on here. And so this will allow me to easily set up a series of video links for my YouTube channel. And the reason why this is easy is also, you see at the bottom here, there's a link, and I can actually take my YouTube link, copy it in here. And what this will allow me to do is link to my YouTube videos in a visually appealing way. So people can actually click through it. You can change the padding, of course. You are able to set the padding to certain values. You can change radiuses, corners, for example. You can also remove the thumbnails, and then you can have the arrows there. Of course, the thumbnail width can be changed as well. Then when you move over it, you see here there's a border color. It's kind of hard to see. Just turn it into red so that we can see it here. And then you can remove or add the arrows. You can actually change how these look. So there's different possibilities on how you can style this. So that's basically what this can do. Now, how do you add it to an email? We just have an element here at the bottom here that's called image slider, and you just drag and drop it. You just drop it over here, start configuring it. Now I can just go here and choose slide 1, then I click on the little icon here, and I take an image from the media library, and there it is. And I'm going to do the same thing for, of course, slide number 2 here. Just take an image from the media library. And we can also delete the elements and only have the ones that we actually need or want. And then, as I said before, we can add a link to it. So that's how you use this image slider element to present this to your clients.